Ready to ditch the plastic and make paying a breeze? Today, we're going to show you how to add your Capital One card to Google Pay in just a few easy steps, so you can start enjoying fast, secure, and contactless payments everywhere you go. First, open the Google Pay app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, you can download it for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in the app, look for a button or option that says something like Add a Card or Payment Methods. It's usually located on the bottom or top of the screen. Tap on it. Now, select Add Credit or Debit Card. This will prompt you to either manually enter your card details or use your phone's camera to scan your card. Let's use the camera. Position your Capital One card within the frame, and the app will automatically detect and fill in the card number, expiration date, and cardholder name. Make sure the card is well lit and the information is clear. Alternatively, you can manually enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVC, along with your billing address. Next, you'll need to review and accept Capital One's terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through them, and then tap Agree to continue. Google Pay will now verify your card with Capital One. This might involve a one-time verification code sent via text message, email, or a phone call. Enter the verification code you received. This confirms that you are the cardholder and authorizes Google Pay to use your card. And that's it. Your Capital One card is now successfully added to Google Pay. You're all set to start making contactless payments at millions of locations worldwide, online, and in apps. Enjoy the convenience.